Hello ASVAB warriors, welcome back to your Arithmetic Reasoning class. Now we are studying percentage chapter, and in the previous video we have seen how to calculate percentage increase and percentage decrease, and in this video we will see how to calculate the whole number or the number, original number, when the part and the percentage is given. How it is given? Let us take an example. Let's say it has been given that the women population in a particular town is 1 lakh. Women population in particular town is 1 lakh and it is 40% of the total population. It is 40% of the total population and you need to calculate the total population of the town. How will you do it? So we have a formula for it. The formula is whole equals to part divided by percentage divided by 100. The formula says whole equals to part divided by percentage divided by 100. Now we will take a simple example and we will understand the formula first and then we will take our example. So if 20% of a number means it is a whole is 50. 50 is what? Part. Then the number is what? So we need to calculate the whole. So whole equals to part is what? 50 divided by percentage. Percentage is 20 upon 100. When we solve it, we will get our answer. So 50 we will convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and what will happen to the fraction next week? We will take the reciprocal of it. Reciprocal means the numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So 100 divided by 20. 100 divided by 20 is 5. So 50 times 5 is 250. So the whole will be 250. The whole will be 250 and the 20% of it will be 50. So we will take our example, which is what example I have given? I said that the women population of a particular town is 1 lakh and it is said to be 40% of the total population. Then what will be the total population? So 1 lakh is 40%. 1 lakh is equivalent to 40%, which is women's population. Then how much will be the total population? So we will divide. What was the formula? Part, which is 100,000, divided by percentage, which is 40 divided by 100. So 100,000 multiplied by, we will take the reciprocal of this. So 100 by 40. So 0 gets cancelled and 100 divided by 4 is 25. This remains 25,000 into 10. So 25,000 into 10 is 250,000. So we can say that the total population of that town will be 250,000. So the 40% will be 100,000. We'll see another example on the how to find the whole when the part and the percentage is given. So the first example is 20% of a number is 40. Then what is the number? 20% of a number is 40. Means 40 is part. This is percentage. We need to find out the whole. So whole equals to part divided by percentage divided by 100. We will convert these to multiplication. Take the reciprocal. 100 divided by 20 is 5 and 5 times 40 is 200. So the number will be 200. Again the next question is 35% of a number is 70. What is the number? Now we will see a different method to find it. Different or a little bit simpler method. So we say we have been given that the 35% of a number is 70. So we will assume the number to be x, right? So we have been given that 35%. Percent means 35 by 100 of a number which is x. is given as 70, then we need to find out x. So we will multiply both the sides of equation by 100 divided by 35. Just to send this side, this fraction over to this side of the equation, right hand side of the equation. So this will get cancelled out and we will multiply this side of the equation with 100 by 35. So 35 2s are 70 and 100 into 2 is 200. So x is equal to 200. Isn't it easier than putting the formula or writing the whole formula and putting the values? Whichever method you find it useful, you can try it. So again, 12% of a number is 96. What is the number? Again, 12% is 12 by 100 of a number. We will assume it to be x is 96. Then what will be the number? We will send this 12 by 100 over to this side. So it will be taken as 96 times 100 by 12. Because the multiplication becomes division and division becomes multiplication when we send it over to opposite side of the equation. So 12 ones are 12, 12 8s are 96. So x is equal to 800. So 12% of a number is 96. What is the number? The number will be 800. Again, we have few more examples or two more examples. I would ask you to solve these questions and try putting your answers in the comment section. If you have any doubt, you can always ask it in the comment section. Now we will be solving some word problem on the percentage topic. So the word problem will be mixed of all the things we have learned in this percentage chapter. So the first question is, a man saved 15% of his income, which is 450. What is his total number? Now this question is from the just previous section that we have learned, which is we need to find out the whole when the part and the percentage given. Part is 450. 15% is given. Means part is given and the percentage is given. We need to find out the whole. So the whole income or the total income will be equal to, we'll write our formula, or you can use the method of assuming the whole to be x, whichever is suitable for you. So part divided by percentage upon 100. What is part here? Part is 450 divided by 15 upon 100. 15 is 15% and 450 is the part. So 450 multiplied by, we will take the reciprocal of this. So 100 by 15. So 15 3s are 45, this 0 as it is. 30 into 100 will be $3,000. So we can say if the 15% is 450, then the total income will be $3,000. I hope you understood this question. Let us quickly move on to our next question. Our next question says, a car dealership sells 10% of its inventory, which amounts to 25 cars. How many cars are there in total? Again, this is the question of part and whole. So the 10% of the whole inventory is 25. We need to calculate what is whole. So the whole equals to part. Part is 25 divided by percentage. This is 10 of 100. So 25 multiplied by, take the reciprocal, 100 divided by 10. 0 0 gets cancelled. 25 times 10 is 250. So there are total 250 cars in the inventory. Now let us move on to the next question. The next question is, a company made 30% profit, which equates to 9,000. What was the total revenue? Again, this is the question of part and whole. So the whole revenue or the total revenue will be equals to, part is 9,000 divided by percentage, which is 30%. So 30 by 100. 9,000. We want to convert this division sign into multiplication. So we will take the reciprocal of the fraction next to it. So 30, 0 gets cancelled. 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros as it is. So 3,000 into 10 will be 30,000. So the total revenue will be equal to $30,000. Let's see what is the next question. Now the next question is on the discount. So a laptop is sold at 20% discount and the original price is 1200. What is the sales price? We have been given that laptop is sold at 20% discount and the original price is 1200. So we will write first what is given. Original price is 1200 and on this 1200 the 20% discount has been given. So what is the sale price? So we will first calculate 20% of 1200. How to do that? So 20 of 100 multiplied by 1200. So we will get the 20%. 0 gets cancelled out. 12 2s are 24. So $240. So this will be the discount. So we will have to subtract it from the original price. So 1200 minus 240 discount. So 0, 10 minus 4 is 6. 12 minus 3 is 9. So the price after the discount will be $960. So there is one more easier method to solve it. We will see how to do that. So there is a 20% discount. Let us assume the original price was 100 and there is 20% discount. After giving the discount, we are remaining with 80% of the original price, right? So original price was 1200. When we calculate 80% of 1200, we will directly get our sale price, which is this one. Let us try it. So 0 gets cancelled out. So 12 times 8 is 96 and this 0 as it is. So $960 will be selling price. Let us move on to our next question. The next question is, an investor earns 5% interest on $10,000 investment. How much interest was earned? Very simple question. We just need to calculate the 5% of the 10,000, which is total investment. So 5%, which is 5 out of 100 of 10,000. How much will it be? 0 gets cancelled out. So 5 times 100 will be 500. So the interest earned will be $500. Let us see our next question. The next question is, a population increased by 12% in 1 year, going from $800,000 to what number? Now this is the question of percentage increase. We need to calculate the percentage increase or the percentage increase of the total population we need to calculate. So first we will calculate the 12% of $800,000. 12% is nothing but 12 out of 100 times 800,000. What will it be? 0 gets cancelled out. 12 8s are 96 and these 3 zeros as it is. So there will be increase of 96,000 in the population. We will have to add it to the original population, which was 800,000. So 800,000 plus 96,000. How much will it be? 6, 8, 9. So 896,000 will be the new population after 12% increase. Let's see what's the next question. The next question is, a car's price drops by 8%, reducing its value to $27,600. What was the original price? The car's price drops by 8%. Let us assume the car's price was 100% and it drops by 8%. How much will be remaining? 92%. Now it is given that reducing its value to $27,600. $27,600. What percent is this? It is 92%. So 92% is equivalent to 27,600. What was the original price? So we need to find out the whole. Correct? The part is given, which is 27,600, and the percentage is given, which is 92%. So we will see what is the formula. So whole equals to part is 27,600 times divided by percentage is 92 upon 100. So again, to solve this, we will have to convert this to multiplication sign, and 100 divided by 92. How to solve it? We will try to reduce it. First we will divide it by 2. So we get 46. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Again we can reduce it by 2. So 23, 2 6s are 13, 2 9s are 18. So we are left with 6,900 upon 23 into 100. This is 6,900, this 23 over here, and 100. We know that 23 3s are 69. So 300 into 100 will be 30000. So 30,000. So what was the original price? The original price of the car was $30,000. It was reduced by 8%. So we are remained with 92%, and we have calculated if the 92% is equal to 27,600, then what was the 100%, or what was the whole that we have calculated. Now let us see the next question. The next question is, a number decreases from 200 to 160. Now this is the case of percentage decrease. A number decreases from 200 to 160. What is the percentage decrease that we need to find out? So what was the original or old value? It was 200 minus 160, and what was the original? 200. We will multiply it by 100. So 200 minus 160 is 40 divided by 100. 200 times 100. So 41s are 40 and 45s are 200. So we are left with 100 divided by 5, which is nothing but 20. What is this? 20%. If the number is decreased from 200 to 160, it is decrease of 20%. Now that was it for this class. Now in this chapter, with this video we have completed the percentage chapter. We have first started from the percentage and how to convert percentage to fractions, fractions to decimal, decimals to percentage, and so on. Then we have seen percentage increase and percentage decrease, and then we have seen how to calculate the whole if the part is given. If the part is given, how to calculate whole, and if the whole is given, how to calculate the part, and so on. Then we have solved some word problems on it, mixed of everything. And I hope this have cleared all of your doubts regarding this percentage topic. This topic is very important topic with respect to the arithmetic reasoning, because you are going to use the percentage topic throughout your arithmetic reasoning. So be careful while studying this topic. Try to get hold of this topic. So this was it from our end. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. This was your reasoning coach Shubham signing off. Thank you.